Today, Maria and I are back at Dados in Benaulim, a place for great home-style Goan cooking run by our neighbours and good friends. We made a video on their place on April 15th last year, which by now has hit nearly 60,000 views. You can watch it at the link above. Dados is located on Benaulim Beach Road. In that direction is the Khareban side of Margao, and that way is Maria Hall and Benaulim Beach. These are our friends, Kimberley and Scott, who are running Dados. You guys had a catering business first, that's what I remember during the pandemic. When did you decide to open this place?
It's been a year or so. Last year, June, we opened. I used to run a food cart and catering as well.
Food cart where?
It used to be in Savoring.
Savoring, wow.
Near the junction where there's a water station.
So how are you enjoying it?
It's quite well.
Yeah.
I love cooking, and especially I started cooking only for him.
Oh, how sweet.
He used to take me to all the hotels and restaurants, new openings and all. He used to take me there. And he used to tell me, okay, we used to order something, and he used to tell me, after eating, go home and prepare this for me. The next day I used to catch the same thing, and he used to say, no need of going to the restaurant again. This is best.
How lovely. How long you guys have been together?
Almost 14 years.
14 years, wow. It's hard work, no? But
It's quite lot. Kitchen is not easy.
yeah. But are you happy? How are you doing? How well is your
Since the
business
first
going?
video came out, we are doing really great.
Really great. Thanks.
Most of the
Thanks to
customers
you.
we get outside, I can't thank you enough.
Because they always say
Leslie's video.
We saw the
Even
video.
yesterday, we have a booking today as well.
Great.
From some guys from Canada. They're gonna come.
But it's not thanks to the video, it's thanks to you guys. Fantastic fish curry.
Thank you. Thanks.
Besides superb Goan fish curry rice lunches, Dados also does awesome traditional Goan breakfasts. Everything from Goa sausage omelette to chorizo pav and cafreal bread. Maria and I are here today with a bunch of friends from Delhi who are holidaying in Goa and want to enjoy an authentic Goan lunch.
Geeta, this is Maria.
Hi Maria, nice
Our
to meet
dear
you.
friend
Geeta.
and neighbour
Lovely.
and YouTube star.
Hi Leslie.
Hi.
Hello. So I wanted to give you the articles as an article on this.
Maria, this is Linda. Linda, this is Maria. Dear friend.
Everybody where?
Should I sit there?
Anywhere.
Hi.
I'm having prawns thali, Scott. If I can't, but also have prawns thali. Yeah, for Jaya, beef thali.
Huh?
For Jaya, crabs. Veg thali for her. Who else is veg?
Geeta.
Two veg thalis. Two veg.
Can I start with the beef cutlet pav?
These are breakfast, no? And evening. So they're kind of overwhelmed. Before that, you come Basant in the morning, have breakfast here.
I will do that.
Leslie, can you recommend
Kingfish thali is very nice. Kingfish, lepo for Maria. What other option is there in thali?
There is mozza as well.
Oh, mozzo is great. I'll have mozzo.
Then I will also do prawn thali.
One more prawn thali.
Leslie, what am I having?
You tell me, you want kingfish, mozzo, prawns, chicken? Mozzo is one of my favorite fish. I want to try something different.
How bony is Monsoon?
Not very bony.
We don't have bones.
He doesn't try it.
Fillet.
I'll try and
One more mozzo thali.
He asked me.
You want to try Goa sausage?
Yes,
I want to have.
Yeah, I remember. It is called
Leslie, why you recording yourself and not us? Turn the camera.
Would you like to review the footage, man? There's a lot of footage of you.
No, I want you to turn the camera this way.
But it has to be back and forth. Now, it can't be only on one side of the table. Viewers will object.
This
From
is
Bombay,
the
we
most
see you.
unruly film crew I have ever watched. Film हो रही है कि नहीं भी पता नहीं.
Why, thank you. We take it as a compliment. Now to have some soft drinks while our fish is frying for our thalis. Here's mozzo and bangro. prawns, beautiful lepo, more mozzo and kingfish. And brinjal for the vegetarians. Dado's veg thali has dal, a vegetable fodi, patal bhaji, tidki mitki bhaji, salad, rice, papad and chapati. Geeta especially like the patal bhaji.
So you can come here in the morning and have this with pav.
I love.
So in the morning you'll get all this beef cutlet pav, chicken cafreal bread, everything you'll get.
Lovely. I love it. This is amazing.
What do you love?
This is morsel. Two.
Check out that beautiful traditional Goan fish curry rice lunch.
Tapu and kingfish.
Thank you. 1 second.
So what all do the thalis have? Tidki mitki bhaji, tisrio, papad, rice, fish curry, pickle, prawns kishmoor, fried mozzo and salad.
Wow, yeah. Hassan got mango.
I know. Wow, this looks...
Plain one.
Vasant's prawn thali comes with some lovely lightly pickled mango slices. We also want.
Wow, thank you. Mango.
Everyone enjoyed the pickled mango slices, which we enjoy in Goa starting in winter when the young mangoes start emerging.
Mozzo is one of the best fish.
What did you order? Take mine. I'm not having. No, I don't want it. Very good. Too good. I mean, we couldn't have it with dal and
Yum. Oh.
given.
Curry is good, no?
You know this prawn, whatever this is.
It's good.
So try it.
Salad. It is a salad but with a cooked dried prawn.
Perfect.
This is skeleton. What's in this?
Mackerel. Bongo.
No, this.
Fish. Mackerel fish.
Like dal.
What?
No. It's just like liquidy. There's no fish in it.
No, the curry doesn't come with fish pieces. It's the flavor. Scott, the curry has become even better, huh? Fantastic.
Magnificent.
Mine was amazing too. Now I know where to get ghugni and pav in the morning.
Too much, too good.
So nice and khatta, huh?
Yeah. Burst in your mouth.
The same meal they send home for us also.
Happily eating.
Wow, this was also very good. Huh? Different, huh?
That's what I think. Yes, I've offered it to Moga. Little salad.
After this,
It's
a
like
nice
white
sleep
liquor.
is needed. amount they give also is sensible.
Yeah.
See your lepo, there's a lot.
Big one.
This is one of the most popular fish of Goa. Soul. Soul fish. Like soul. You want to try?
Okay, not so.
Cafreal is also coming.
Because you had kingfish mozzo. Here, give.
I just want one more piece of mozzo. I like that a lot. It's
What a
creamier
big
than
person.
kingfish.
It is. And you know what is creamier than mozzo also is tamso.
Yes.
Tamso. Like kingfish is popular because it's like a steak fish, no? You can give it any flavor. But the real tasty is tamso and mozzo. And sona.
मौसम को नॉर्थ इंडिया में क्या बोलते हैं?
In Hindi, what is it? Unavailable.
Now Maria will show you how Goans patiently savor the delicious lepo fish.
It's kind of criminal to do that when you can eat like this. This is not expensive. Huh? Look at the price of that veg thali, $140. 140.
We're done with lunch except for one thing. Vasant is keen to try one of the breakfast items, chicken cafreal pao.
Terrific. But I wanted this also.
Juicy, no?
Juicy.
It's great for breakfast. Yeah.
Very good.
And you know, as snacks go, it's quite exciting.
Yeah, like a burger.
So much better than a burger. So much, no.
Yeah,
so much
better.
juicy. Vedant, you want to try burger?
Yeah.
Bite.
Oh, I'm so happy. Nice. Yeah.
Oh, magnificent.
The kids are. She's loving this.
एक bite ले ले.
Goan burger.
Let it be Zoya.
It's not spicy also.
Try it.
Just try and have it again.
I would bet this is better than the burger you had last night. Either last evening or last night.
I'm pretty sure. Look at Zoya's face.
Seriously.
Hey.
Oh, Vasant's also feeling very happy.
One Mexican.
Everyone's gonna have to be
opening,
super after
one
this.
Trinity Beach.
It's the best burger I've
The
had.
sea
Trinity Beach. Look, even Zoya's saying yes.
Better than Beno, Sheno, Beno or Beno.
I will go. And Roma.
That's a lot to say. It's the best burger.
Look, Zoya's
I've had in
also
Goa so far.
Why don't you try it?
Please tell Scott.
But I want to just take a bite.
Take a bite and see.
Cafreal bread, Vasant is common enough, but Scott does a really good version.
Because it's too juicy, you know, that's why.
This is special bread.
Yeah.
It's not bun.
No.
But it's not a pav.
No, not now. I've been with my ghugni, which I've been looking for from the minute I came.
What do you mean by ghugni? Goans don't know what ghugni is.
It's safed mutton,
Bhaji pav.
bhaji pav. And I'm coming back again one morning to have it with the pav.
It's a specialty of Goa. Wherever you go in Goa, you may not know the name. Any place you walk into, you'll get that.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Well, I haven't found it so far, but I'm going to the wrong places.
See, you are-
This is the right place.
My favorite is
lepo fry. I enjoyed it here.
I had the prawn thali and the curry along with the prawn.
Rava fry.
Huh?
Rava fry.
The rubber, no, the prawn. Yeah, whatever. Brilliant combination. The king prawns in rubber fry. Brilliant. But I have to say the best was the chicken cafreal. Maybe that's not a burger over here, but man, that is the best chicken burger I've had for a long time.
Thanks to Kimberley and Scott for yet another wonderful Goan lunch.
Amazing. And the vegetarian thali, I've been waiting to eat the bhaji. Now I'll not eat cow.
Sure, please.
Love that.
And he's so cracked, he's saying the cafreal is better than the fish thali. They're from North, no?
Thank you so much for pushing that.
Thanks a lot for you too.
Thank you, because of you guys our channel grew.
And it was just delicious.
Thank you.
Thanks so much, dear.
Thank you.